Hello students. Today we start the paper third. In paper third, unit second, that is the physiology. Unit first already explained the another teacher. So I start the unit second. It is on physiology. So in physiology, the first part, that is the water relations. So what is the water? Water is involved in the different lives or different functioning. So these are studied in this unit. So question first is explain water relation with the plant and add a note on water potential. So in this question, actually there is the we discuss about the plant and water relations and some water and water properties which are mostly involved in the plant's life. So first point is the plant water relations. In first, the water is the life, because the every life is having about the 70 to 90% of water. कि हर एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में 17 to 90% वाटर कंटेंट रहता है, इसलिए वाटर को हम लाइफ भी बोल सकते. तो केमिकल फॉर्मूला क्या है वाटर का? दैट इज़ द H2O. एंड स्ट्रक्चर कैसा रहता है? तो इन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल there is the one oxygen atom and they are bind with the two hydrogen atoms, and in that the oxygen is the negatively charged and hydrogens are the positively charged. So this water is the bipolar, that means there is the hydrogen and hydrogen plus charge and oxygen negatively charged. Also this water is the neutral solvent. Why neutral? Because on this one pole there is the positive charge and one pole is the negative charge. That's why they are placed as a neutral solvent. Neutral, that means no charge. Then fourth is the characters of water molecules. तो water के characters क्या क्या है आपको पता है? आपने हर रोज़ हम वाटर का यूज़ करते हैं. तो फर्स्टली दिस वाटर इज़ द न्यूट्रल है. देन इट इज़ कलरलेस, ऑल्सो इट इज़ ऑर्डरलेस एंड देयर इज इन द लिक्विड फॉर्म में है. दिस ऑल्सो दिस वाटर आर द बाइपोलर्स एंड हैविंग द pH 7 pH इज़ द न्यूट्रल pH रहता है. देन वाटर इज़ ऑल्सो द आइडियल सॉल्वेंट्स एंड आइडियल सॉल्यूशंस. Then if the water molecule is the reversible process, and in that it converts in H plus and OH minus OH, and it will be reversible. Then in the photosynthesis there is the photolysis process. In photolysis these water molecules are also liberate the oxygen molecules. So in that case the two H2O molecules, after a reaction they form 4 hydrogen molecules and O2 molecules will be liberated. These are some characters. Also this water is in 3 forms, that is gaseous forms, liquid forms and solid forms also. Then there are some distinct properties of the water. For example, it having the different water potentials, then osmosis, transpirations, imbibitions and transports. So these are distinct properties of the waters. So first we discuss about the water potential. वाटर में क्या क्या पोटेंशियल्स है, क्या क्या एबिलिटीज़ है, वो हम आज स्टडी करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट पोटेंशियल इज़ द फ्री एनर्जी. सो दिस वाटर मॉलिक्यूल कैन बी डू वर्क in any constant or any temperature. So this is the capability of water molecule. They will do work in undergoes constant temperatures. Then second is the about chemical potential. So for non-electrolyte free energy is known as the chemical potential. It is denoted by the Greek letter, that psi, and there is a sign, some signs. Then these also the water potential. So the free energy of molecules of water is known as the water potential. जो नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट फ्री एनर्जी रहती है उसे हम केमिकल पोटेंशियल बोलते हैं, और जो फ्री एनर्जी ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर है उसे हम वाटर पोटेंशियल बोलते हैं. सो दिस देयर टू डिफरेंट साइंस इन केमिकल पोटेंशियल एंड water potential. Water potential, that means the free energy of water molecules, and chemical potential means non-electrolyte free energy of water molecules. Then the calculations of this, the absolute value of the water potential cannot be determined and measurements. So जो वाटर का जो पोटेंशियल है वो हम कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते, मेजर्स नहीं कर सकते. देन वाटर पोटेंशियल ऑफ प्योर वाटर, तो इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज अ जीरो ही हम उसे कंसिडर कर सकते. जो निगेटिव वैल्यू है तो वाटर पोटेंशियल इज जीरो इज lowered by the solute addition at the equivalent water potential of solution divided by cytoplasm is always the negative values. So it is also another one potential of this water molecule, it having the negative values. Then the bar, then water potential is usually expressed in pressure unit such as the bars or atmosphere. So this water potential is mentioned with the bars. So 1 bar is equal to 10⁵ Dynes square meter. This is the unit of the water potential. Then next is about the water movement. The water movement of water in cells takes place from region of higher water potential to the region of lower water potential. तो जो प्लांट में इसकी वाटर की मूवमेंट कैसी होती है, तो जो हाई वाटर पोटेंशियल रहता है, हाई वाटर से जहाँ लो पोटेंशियल है, लो पोटेंशियल की तरफ ये मूव होता है. मतलब हाई से लो वाटर पोटेंशियल की तरफ इसकी मूवमेंट, वाटर मूवमेंट होती है. तो व्हाट आर द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ दिस वाटर पोटेंशियल? सो फर्स्ट वन इज द टर्गर प्रेशर. सो द वाटर पोटेंशियल मेंटेन द टर्गर. It creates turgor potential or pressure. It maintains cell shape and cell size. So due to this turgor pressure or maintaining the turgor of the cells, it also helps to maintaining the cell shape and size. Then it also helpful in the mechanical support. So this turgor pressure creates by water potential helps the cells to maintain mechanical support to the cells. Then third significance is about the solution. So it is base solvent. It forms base solutions for organic and inorganic solutes in cells. So as a solvent, a base solution से inorganic और organic cells में. Then next significance is the transport. So water potential of water helps in transport of minerals, organic and inorganic solutes एज यू ऑलरेडी नो, जो भी मिनरल्स ऑर्गेनिक और इनऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट्स रहते हैं उसे ट्रांसपोर्ट करने का काम वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स करते हैं. Then incubations, so water potential forms incubations of water, so it helps in dry seeding germinations. So also in case of जहाँ जब जर्मिनेशन होता है तो वहाँ इंक्यूबेशन की ज़रूरत होती है. मतलब जब इंक्यूबेशन होगा तब वहाँ जो जर्मिनेशन स्टार्ट होता है. तो जो वाटर है, वाटर इंक्यूबेशन का वहाँ पे काम करता है जो कि जर्मिनेशन में हेल्प करता है. देन लास्ट सिग्निफिकेंस इज द ऑस्मोटिक पोटेंशियल. So this water potential creates osmotic potential. It helps in transport of sap in plant cells. तो वन सेल से दूसरे सेल्स में ट्रांसपोर्ट करने के लिए, नहीं तो जो लोअर पार्ट से हायर प्लांट्स और हायर पार्ट से लोअर पार्ट तक जो भी प्लांट्स में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का काम रहता है, वहाँ पे वाटर मॉलिक्यूल ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर क्रिएट करके उसे जो भी मिनरल्स ऑर्गेनिक इनऑर्गेनिक्स जो भी सॉल्वेंट्स है उसे ट्रांसपोर्ट करने का काम करता है. सो दिस इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द वाटर पोटेंशियल. सो in this way this water molecules will helps in this different living organisms. So in this question first you have to mention about the plant and water relations, then write down its chemical formula, structure and some characters of the water molecules and some distinguishing properties or distinct properties of the waters like water potential है, osmosis है, transpiration है, imbibition and transports है. So in that today's question is add a notes on water potential. तो water potential के ऊपर से हमें यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया है. जो water potential that means it provides the free energy, then chemical potential, water potential, then having the calculations, then that means this potential cannot be determined or measured. Then this water potential of pure water is always become zero, that's why it presents the negative values and it expresses in the pressure unit, that is the bars or atmosphere. Then it also helps in the water movements in a higher potential to the lower potential. Then some significance of this water potential like it maintains the turgor pressure, that's why it creates the shapes and size of cells. Then it also provides mechanical supports, and then it helps in the or it become the base solvent, and it forms organic and inorganic solutes in cells. Also it transports mineral, organic and inorganic solvents, and it helps in like seed germinations in the way of incubations, and also it maintains the osmotic potential, that's why they can helps in transport of the saps in the plant cells. So this is one of the important properties of water, that is water potential. So now I stop here.